how to create a newsletter on Mailchimp. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own newsletter on Mailchimp. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on their main website and we are just simply gonna go ahead and sign up, and the sign up process is very easy and it's free, totally free. You don't have to worry about that. There are plans available, but we'll get into that later. First, I'm going to show you how you can create it. Then I'm going to tell you the pricing plans if you want to, learn about that as well. So let's get started. Just simply click on sign up over here or sign up for free over here at the top corner over here. Doesn't really matter. It depends on you. Simply click on sign up free, this part of the website where you just simply have to enter in your email address, your username, and your password. I'm going to use a temporary email for now because I already have an account on Mailchimp, and I want to show you the complete, way how you can create an account. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and enter in the email address, and then over here we're going to enter in the username, and then we just simply have to enter in the password, and we are good to go. Then just simply click on sign up, wait for a couple of seconds, and you are gonna be able to sign up and move on to the next part. Over here, you just simply have to check your email address to verify. So I'm just simply gonna come over here, email that we have to click on to activate our account. We just simply click on activate account, and it's gonna redirect us to the Mailchimp website where our account has been created. So over here, as you can see, let's get the show on the road. Yes, I'm not a robot. Clear the reCAPTCHA and move on. Then just simply log in and move on. So over here, it's loading up the page and we are good to go. Then over here, it's going to tell us about the pricing plans. We're just simply going to stick to the free one for now. I'm going to tell you later about these other plans. We're just simply going to click on next. And then over here, just enter in your name, your last name, your business name, your website and phone number. These are two optionals, but if you want to add them, you can. Click on continue, and then over here just add in your address over here, your city, your state, your postal code, and your country, and continue. Now they're going to ask you, do you have any contacts? If you have one, just simply click on yes and import your contact list. If you have no, just simply click on no and just simply click on continue. Then over here, they are going to ask you, what do you sell, products or services? Choose whichever one you want. You can choose both, neither, and just simply continue. I'm going to choose neither. And do you intend to sell products or services online? I'm going to choose neither over here and click on continue. You can skip the questions if you want. It all depends on you. And then they're going to ask you for additional emails if you want to receive from Mailchimp. If you don't want to receive any other emails from Mailchimp, leave these boxes unchecked and click on continue. If you want to, just check these boxes however you feel like it and click on continue. And once you've done that, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, they're saying that I have an issue. Let me just clear that for a second. Okay, I think maybe because I, logged in with my temporary email, I think that's why they blocked me or something. So let me just go ahead and sign into my other account and we can move on. I just wanted to show you the sign up process. So now you know the sign up process. Now we can move on to the next part of the video. All right, now that we are signed in, we can now move on. So, okay, so now what do you want to do? You want to go ahead and create an email, newsletter. So let's go ahead and come over here onto the left side, and over here we have a bunch of different options. We have create, we have audience, we have campaigns, automations, website, and all of that. What we want to do is want to click on create, and over here we have emails. When I click on emails, and over here the drop down menu will give us these three options: regular, plain text, or template. You can choose whichever one you want. If you want to click on template, then it'll show you the template designs over here. Simply click on get started to see all of the templates available. So over here we have our layouts. So these are all the layouts that we have. Choose whichever layout you want. So you have your featured layouts over here, and then you have your basic layouts at the bottom. Now in the featured one, they will have your logo, they'll showcase your product name, the product, and a little bit about your product. Your other products are going to be over here. These are going to be other ones as well. But if you want to have like a basic one, then it's going to be similar to that one, but it won't have any other layouts. You will have to do everything on your own. So it all depends on you. Let's go ahead with this first one. I really like that, and we'll click on that and we'll continue. All right, so over here, this is how it's going to look like. So you were going to have your email like this. This is how your email is going to look like. You have your logo at the top. You showcase your products over here. Your product images are going to be over here. Your featured option over here, featured product, the description of the featured product, then some other products down below. It all depends on you. You can add more text. You can add like an image card. You can add image text. You can add a share button. You can add a code option over here to add your own CSS code to add more customization options. You can add a video as well. Then you can add a button or image group or whatever. Let's go ahead and add like a image video over here, and we'll just simply add over here, you know, the video so that people can see the product in action. And that's pretty much it. So now let's go ahead and start editing it out. So over here, we want to upload a logo. We'll click on logo and this option will pop up. And over here, we just simply have to replace the logo by clicking on replace button over here. And then over here, we just have to choose the file that we want. So if you already have a logo, just simply click on upload and just choose your logo that you want. Or if you can just choose from Giphy or Instagram or your own logo over here. It all depends on you. Now I'm going to go ahead and find a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can go ahead and find and create your own logo online, like a free logo maker, or go to canva.com, and over here you can create your own logo. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just simply going to search for logo over here. And then we will have all these different options in front of us. Choose whichever option that you feel most comfortable with and move on. So let's go ahead and click over here. So let's go ahead and choose a logo that we think would be good. So I think this logo would look nice, you know, if we have like a shoe type of company, then I think this would look good. All right. Next, just simply click on share, or you can just go ahead and edit your logo out. It all depends on you. Just simply click on share. Once you've edited the logo, click on download to download the logo. And once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and upload it onto our email over there. Gonna download the logo, go back to the editor, click on upload logo. And let's say this is our logo. Okay, this is a white one. I didn't mean to upload this one, sorry. Let's go ahead and click on my files and upload again. Here is the logo. We'll click on that and upload that. Here we go. Now that the logo has been created, we can go ahead and, you know, minimize it as well because it's a little bit too big. So let's go ahead and smaller, you know, something like this one. This looks cool. Maybe a little bit bigger. Yeah, that looks nice. And once that's done, you can go ahead and add your products over here. And you can change the headline of your product. You can go with a different style. You can add some settings. You can add more content. You can change the font. You can change the color of the text. You can add more text if you want. It all depends on you. And then what you can do is you can add like product over here. So let's go ahead and add a product. We're going to go back to the images. And as I said before, if you already have an image, just simply click on upload. If you don't, then you can go ahead and create one. So I'm pretty sure if you're uploading your product images, you already might have a product image. But since I don't have one, let me go ahead and find one. All right, I found the logo. So I'm just simply going to upload the image over here for our product. Yeah, this looks nice. And then what we can do is we can add in the description of this product over here. You can just choose whichever one whatever you want to say, and then down below you can add the video of your product. So to add the videos, just simply click over here and just simply enter in the video URL, and it supports the URL from YouTube and Vimeo. Let's go over to YouTube and find a video URL that can, you know, look good. I'm pretty sure if you already have a video of your own, you can go ahead and add that. But if you don't, you can use any video you want. So I'm just simply going to search for shoe promo video over here. And then over here, we have a bunch of different options. So let's go ahead and click over here. Let's say this is the video that we want. We'll copy that link, go back over here, paste that link, and boom, we are good to go. So now we have the video over here as well. So pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Then what you want to do is just simply click on save and close and click on save and exit. Then you can name this product as well. So I'm going to call it shoe and click on save. Now you already have your template ready. You have a good template. So now what you want to do is you want to create an automation, right? So you're going to click on automation, and over here you can create a new automation from scratch, welcome new customers, recover lost customers, send multiple offers to abandoned carts, or email tag customers. So if you choose whichever one you want, you can then choose this option over here, and this is how it's going to look like. Now this option is for the premium version. So if you wanted to build a, you know, integrations or automation, then you're going to need the premium one. So over here you can send 2 emails 1 day after 4 days after the tagged applied. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. If you wanted to change some of this, you can click over here. As you can see, just simply click on build a journey over here, and then choose the audience and click on continue. And then over here, create a new tag or existing tag. It all depends on you. And then you can go ahead and start creating an automation for your email newsletter. But that's pretty much it. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. 1 day delay, create an email. 3 day delay, create an email. So if we click over here, we'll just simply send an email over here, select the template. We'll click on save templates. We already have the shoe one. That's what we created. We're going to click on that email template. We're going to select that. We're going to simply click on save and return to journey. And now that email has been saved, and now that email is going to be sent out. So it's pretty amazing. And then it's going to exit. So that's pretty much it. We're going to set a tag one day of the, tag, let's say an action, where if someone buys an item from your website, after they will receive an email, and after 3 days they will receive another offer email, and then that's done. You can create another journey, add another journey point if you want, but it all depends on you. And once that's done, just simply click on upgrade and continue, and your automation will be done. So to upgrade, you're going to need to have like another plan. So over here it's going to cost you like $17 per month. So speaking of plans, let's go ahead and take a look at all these different plans. So over here, these are some of the plans that you can see. So you have your free plan, essential, standard, and premium. And the essential is going to cost you $11 per month. The standard is going to cost you $17, and the premium is going to cost you $2.99. And it depends on how many contacts you have. So if you have more contacts, the prices are going to go up. So let's just say if you have like 25,000 contacts, then the price is going to go up. Then for the essential plan, it's going to bump up to $225. Standard one is going to bump up to $259, and the premium one is going to bump up to $530. So it all depends on you, and you get a bunch of different features as you can see over here on the screen. You can go ahead and pause the video to view these features, and you can compare the plans however you feel like it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.